One of the 12 hallmarks of aging has captured more excitement, and more hype, than almost any other: cellular senescence. These are the so-called zombie cells, and clearing them out has become one of the most promising, and most oversold, ideas in longevity. Let's understand what they actually are, why they matter, and what the evidence really says about the drugs that target them. So what is a senescent cell? Normally, when a cell gets too damaged, or has divided so many times that it's worn out, one of two things happens: it either repairs itself, or it self-destructs to get out of the way. But sometimes a third thing happens instead: the cell enters a state called senescence. It stops dividing entirely, but it stubbornly refuses to die. Now, here's the twist: this is originally a good thing, a protective mechanism. A damaged cell that can no longer divide can't go on to become a cancerous tumor. So senescence is one of your body's defenses against cancer. When you're young, your immune system simply clears these cells away, and all is well. The trouble is what happens when they start to pile up. Here's why they earned the nickname zombie cells. A senescent cell doesn't just sit there quietly, harmlessly retired. It actively pumps out a toxic cocktail of inflammatory molecules. Scientists call it the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, or SASP for short. Think of it as a cell that won't die and won't shut up, constantly spewing out inflammatory signals. And that inflammatory soup is genuinely damaging. It injures the healthy cells around it, degrades the surrounding tissue, and, this is the really insidious part, it can push nearby healthy cells into becoming senescent themselves. So they spread, zombie style, one converting the next. As we age, our immune system gets worse at clearing them, so they accumulate in our tissues, and their chronic, low-grade inflammation is now thought to be a major driver of aging itself, contributing to arthritis, heart disease, and frailty. This leads to one of the most exciting ideas in all of longevity science. If these zombie cells drive aging, then what if we could selectively hunt them down and kill them, while leaving the healthy cells alone? Drugs that do this are called senolytics, and the concept is elegant. You don't have to fix the damaged cells, you just clear them out, like weeding a garden. And in mice, the results have been genuinely striking. When researchers use senolytics to clear senescent cells from aging mice, the animals often get measurably healthier, better physical function, healthier tissues, and in some studies, a longer lifespan. Those mouse results are what set off the entire senolytics gold rush, and why you now see companies and clinics promoting these compounds. But, and this is the crucial but, mice are not people. So where does the human evidence actually stand? The most studied senolytic approach in people combines an old cancer drug called dasatinib with a plant compound called quercetin, often abbreviated D+Q, and there's also interest in a supplement called fisetin. And here's the honest picture, which the marketing tends to skip: the human trials so far are small, early, and the results have been decidedly mixed and inconsistent. Some show modest signals, others show little. The dramatic, life-extending magic seen in mice has simply not yet been clearly reproduced in humans, and mouse-to-human translation fails far more often than it succeeds. So the truthful summary is, senolytics are one of the most promising ideas in the field, genuinely worth watching, and also being aggressively sold well ahead of the evidence. If a clinic is offering to clear your zombie cells today, that's hope being marketed as fact. This is educational, not medical advice.